Hello everyone! Another LOL surprise unboxing! I got LOL LILS here. So let's open it. Alright. See here. Alright, let's open it here. Okay. Ooh! Yes! Yay! That was nice. Alright. Let's see here. What's this? Alright. Okay. Open here again. Here. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Oops. Come on now. I want the zipper. Oh, it won't. Okay, let's open in here. There we go. Oops. Okay. Alright. Another wrap to open. Oh, look at this. The other side. Yeah. There it is. Alright. Let's open this thing again. Ooh! Ay, ay, ay. Sounds good, right? Ta-da! I'm excited. What's inside? You know? Alright, let's open it. Okay, here we go. Oops, there. And then let's open it. Oops. Oh, there it is. La, 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 la. Ta-da! Wow. Okay. Let's count how many bags in here. Oops. Alright. 1. Let's put it here. There's another one hidden over here. Alright. 2. 3. Oh, good one. Okay. Alright. I'm excited. What is this? Oh, okay. I always want to see this paper. Which of these? Okay. And the magnifying glass. Okay. And this one. And that's it. Okay. Let's close this. Now we have 3 bags to open. So let's open this one, the big one. Here we go. Oh, what is this? A bag? Oh. A camera? A camera bag. Oh, it's a cute bag. Huh? Look at this. See? Nice. It's glittery too. Okay. Alright. Next bag. Let's see here. What's in here? Oh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. Look. Oh. Look at the bow. Oh, so cute. So tiny. Oh, wow. Look. Oh. Look, see? So tiny. Tiny baby doll. Oh, how cute. Okay, you sit over here. Oh, okay, sit there. And then we'll open this. Oh, the last one, the third one. Let's see what's inside. Oh, oh my. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute. It's her eyeglasses. Oh my. Look. Oh my gosh. She is so tiny. Her eyeglass is so big. Okay, let's put it on. Alright, let me put it stain on her. There you go. See what she looks like. Huh? Okay. Oh, so funny. Oh, look at her. Oh my gosh. She has a Mickey Mouse eyeglasses. Oh, so cute. And then she has this bag. Look at her. Huh? Closer look. There you go. There you go. Oh my god. Super cute. Okay, let's take this thing off. Let's see. There. Oh. See how cute she is? Oh. Oh my. Okay, that's it. Until next LOL surprise unboxing. Thank you for watching. See ya.